In this part of the lesson, the student has to instantly construct sentences using the expression be delighted to, following the pattern of the sentence we are delighted to be here today, and the phrase be bored of from the sentence they were bored of watching that movie.
I'm delighted to win the game.
I'm delighted to win the game
Because
because
I I got
I got
practiced a lot. Sorry. Got practiced. Practice. Sorry. Got practices a lot. Yeah.
I am delighted to win the game because I got practices a lot. Okay.
So I did practices a lot.
Okay, so
Or I practiced.
okay, so you said
Yeah.
I did practice. So this one should be practice already. Okay, I did practice a lot. We cannot say practices because pattern is judos helping verb plus the original form of the verb base form of the verb. So we cannot say practices. Or you can also say because I practiced a lot.
I was taught. Something.
I was taught something
About.
I was taught something about